For this video, we are going to have a tutorial about lead pages. So if you don't know what lead pages is, simply put, it is a powerful landing page builder designed to help businesses create high converting landing pages quickly and easily. It is perfect for capturing leads, promoting products, and driving traffic to your site. So whether you are a small business owner, a marketer, or an entrepreneur, lead pages offers a wide range of features to suit your needs. Alright, let's get started. So first, you will need to sign up for Leadpages account. So just head over to leadpages.com, or you can use the link that I have in the description down below to access the website. And once you are in here, you can click this Start Free Trial button located on the upper right corner of your screen. So you can choose from variety pricing plans, but for this tutorial, we'll use the free trial to explore its features. Now, once you are logged in, you'll be greeted with the Lead Pages dashboard. So this is where all the magic happens, and let's take a quick tour of the dashboard. So basically, dashboard is your command center. Here you can create new landing pages. Click the Start Creating right here. View your existing pages, check analytics, and much more. So let's break down the main sections. So the first thing that you should see when you go to lead pages is the dashboard again, or the home page. So this is where you can access quick links to create new pages and even see your recent activities. Now let's go to the landing pages section. So this is where all of your landing pages are listed, and you can also click this button if you want to create a new landing page. And after that, you have here your site section. So this is where you can access all of your site if you created some in landing page. You also have the blogs, conversion tools, the leads, brand images, lead magnets, and even the integrations. So for the integrations tab, this is where you go when you want to connect lead pages with other tools like email marketing services and CRM systems, just like ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, OnShopWart, and more. And now let's create a new landing page. So to do that, click on to the create new page, and you can access it by going back to the landing section. So click onto it. It should be situated on the upper right corner of your screen, and then you'll be prompted to choose a template. So as you can see right here, these are all of the templates that available for you to use, and you can choose whatever works best for you or whatever caters your needs. You can utilize this search bar right here if you want to use a specific template. And on this section, on the left sidebar of your screen, you have the different categories. So if you want to see templates or the templates based on the conversion rate, then click on this section. And if you want to see the most popular templates, click on to the section. So you also have these collections page type. So if you are checking out, or if you want a specific type of template that you wanted to use for your lead page, so you can go on to this section. So you have a blank checkout page, and you even have virtual or webinar event if you're used hosting a webinar event. So you also have industry, style, and even the colors. Now, after choosing a template, what you need to do next is to simply name your page or your landing page. So I'm just going to name mine as YouTube sample and click continue. Don't worry, because as you can see in this section right here, it says that you can change it later and your customers will not see the name of your landing page. So now you are on the editor of lead pages, and this is where you can customize every aspect of your landing page. So let's start with the basics. So let us start by editing the text on your landing page. Editing text in lead pages is straightforward. So what you need to do first is to click on any text element on your page, and you will see a toolbar appear right here. So simply click inside the text box and start typing to edit the content, and you can change the text to anything that suits your needs. Plus, you can use the toolbar to format your text, and you can change the font, text size, and even the alignment of your text on this section right here. So I'm going to change the font of my landing page to something bold, or to make it more bold and increase the size. So I'm going with this one, and then increase the size of the text of my landing page. If you want to change the color, click on to this circle right here, and you can apply your brand colors. So you can locate your brand colors on this section, but I'm going to stick with the black. So now if you want to add a hyperlink, just highlight the text that you want to link and click the link icon in the toolbar. So it should be situated on the bottom right part of the toolbar right here, and you have all of these options. So I'm going with link to an external URL, and this is where you can copy or paste your link or your URL, and you can opt to open it in a new window or use no follow. So just go back, and if you are happy with the text, just click outside the text box to save your changes. Next, let's add and customize images to make your landing page more visually appealing. And to add an image, click onto the widgets tab on the left right here and select image from the options. So drag the image widget to anywhere that you want to put it on your page. So I'm going with the section right here. Click onto the image placeholder to open the image settings, and you can either upload an image from your computer or choose one from the built-in image library. Going to import an image from my device. Just don't mind the image that I am using for this tutorial because this is for a tutorial purposes only, so that I can just show to you the process. So upload my image, select it, and then insert image. Once your image is in place, you can resize it by dragging the corners, and you can also align it left, center, or right using the alignment options in the settings. So right here, you have center, right, and left, and you can also edit the shape of it. So you have square, rounded, and even circular. So I'm going with square, and you can change the width through this slider on the upper part of the editing or the settings. And don't forget to add alt text for your image. So this helps with SEO and ensures accessibility for all users. So after that, click save. Once you are satisfied with what you have, now let's create buttons or add buttons to your landing page. And if you already have a button on your landing page as a default element on your template, just click onto it and click the pencil icon located or situated on the upper part of it, and then a toolbar will appear. But for now, I am going to teach you how you can add a button. So go to the widgets and select button from the options. So drag it and drop it in your landing page or in the section that you want it on your landing page, and then this will pop up. So you can click again this pen icon and the toolbar will appear. So for this one, and you can edit the style of it. So you can opt for a small, medium, and large for the size, and you can opt to use it or to have it as full width or not. And if you're not using it or not setting it at full width, you can change the alignment of your button. So I'm going the full width, and for this section, you can change the font, the text size, line spacing, and the button color. Now for this one, you can add animation. So as you can see, you have here different options, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do now is to edit the content of my button. So I'm just going to click on to the button and change the content of it. So get the bundle, and now I am going to hyperlink it. So click the event or add click event, and then link to external URL. But you can also opt to link to a landing page or jump to a page section. So it depends on what you are using for your action. Now let's add sections. So sections and widgets allow you to organize and enhance your landing page. So let's add new section and use some widgets also. Go to the sections tab and then select from the options that you have here. So I'm going with FAQs and select from the options that I have here. So I'm going with the first one and drag it into the section that I want to put it in my landing page. And after you have done that, You can customize the section by changing the background and even the color, the images, and adjusting padding and the margins of it. So hover over your sections, click this three dot icon and go to edit section settings. So you can add image if you want to, as I said earlier, and change the padding of your section. So that's that. Now I'm going to exit out of here. And what I'm going to do next is to add widgets. I'm going to add widgets, and this time I'm going to add social buttons. So I'm going to place it on the bottom part of my landing page. And then if you want to customize your widget, click this edit icon and the tool bar will appear. So each widget has its own settings for customization. Just click onto the widget and open its settings and make any changes that you need. And after you have done that, just click outside the block again and the changes will be saved. And there you have it, a detailed guide to editing each element of your landing page in Leadpages. So by mastering these elements, you can create professional and effective landing pages that drive results for your business. So just don't forget to hit this publish button situated on the upper right corner of your screen and you'll have your landing page. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.